get rid of that. How are you tonight? I should have... Nope, chat still... Nope, chat is running finally. Did not have chat pulled up through my OBS last time, and I missed some interesting interaction. I'll just leave this on. Okay. What we're looking at here is the entire continent of Africa. What we're looking at today, right here, in West Africa and Côte d'Ivoire, or the Ivory Coast. Either way is fine. But we've been keeping tabs on a certain wildfire that has been blazing through there we go. There it is. This is Comoe National Forest. It is pushed back to pittance of what it used to be due to over agricultural spreading, needing more land, requiring more land, and agricultural waste that gets into the forest as well. But all that doesn't really matter right now because the whole thing's on fire. It's on fire. You need to zoom in and find fire. This here is fire in the forest. That right there you're looking at isn't data to represent heat. This is a big difference. We're looking at actual fires on satellite. It is not the same as saying the temperature is 90 degrees now and seeing red on a map. This is a blaze. You see the smoke, rather light, but this amount of fuel that burns puts out an enormous amount of carbon into the atmosphere. Displaces a lot of weather, acts as a bully in the atmosphere. It causes weather clouds to lose everything, rise up above it, so they'll just drop a ton of rain, say 6 months of rain in just a few short hours or so. So something like that. Climate change has been happening. Michigan on the news all day today for voting, and also it being unseasonably warm. I believe they said it was over 70 degrees in Michigan right now. That just seems all kinds of wrong on a voting day as well. Everybody walking out with gloves and coats, not knowing what the hell to do anymore. This all here this is a massive forest. 157 square kilometers. Let's go down. Now, one thing is that fire and heat drives away water and moisture. Keep cutting my head off. There we go. There. Because that looked kind of weird. I was like about there. Yeah. Come back up a little bit so we can see this. And we'll make a time lapse of it for the last month. And steady. Down a little bit more. See how this fire is over. Not just fire that's pushing through. It's also a pendulum swing. Fire is uncanny. And what we're seeing here is, this is January 14th this slide is from. It is huge portions of forest that is just burning, continuing to burn, and then not burning, and then going back to burning as the firestorm raging within this forest is expending all the fuel left, which is the forest. Some pretty big fires. I do mean that this whole forest caught on fire. Not all at once, but over the last 2 months, there has been these forest fires raging throughout this national forest in Ivory Coast. To the point that much of the forest has known fire by now. This was Comoe National Forest. Cote d'Ivoire, the Ivory Coast. Jeez. There. Maybe a better presentation. That way you can see this is on the 24th. Comes back around. Right here, you see that? Back a day. This is February 3rd. This is a huge flare up right here. We see this fire. The firestorm moves like this. It moves in an area that's always constantly heated to a temperature of burning wood. Crumpling of plant life and leaves. Strips a lot of the trees and bushes bare. They can be upwards of 700 degrees or hotter at some points. Especially like this, where there is an actual fire burning it that's substantially big. Love you too. Have fun. Good luck.
Thank you.
push play. I'm gonna push play. Actually, for this example, let's go back another week to see if we can find, yeah. I mean, it's obvious, the further back we go, it's the less amount of fire that we're going to, less amount of trauma to the land we're going to see. December 15th, that's good enough. Because as you can see up here, got a little strip of fire there. And these areas that are appearing in black and browns are areas that have been burned or that are burning. The lighter it is, the further it's been since the burn. And we just put play here. This happens really quickly. This I'm just seeing. All right. Thank you all for your time. Please like and subscribe to stream and the channel.